Living on the moon would not be easy. It wouldn't be a cakewalk. Or, in that matter, it wouldn't be a moonwalk either. There are many challenges that we would face to sustain life on the moon. Well, first of all, there needs to be a sustainable supply of oxygen for people to breathe. If we don't have air, then, well, we die. Outside the Earth's protective atmosphere, solar radiation is too great for humans to survive. On the moon, people would also need to be protected from lunar dust storms, as well as the extremes of temperature. There would need to be a source of energy to provide power for heating, light equipment, and other requirements. Plus, how would we watch TV? The electrical supply, I guess could somehow set that up through the satellites. However, scientists as ever are working to develop ways to overcome these difficulties. For example, storing and using solar energy throughout the long lunar night, and buying pressurized tents under the moon to protect them from radiation. Those ideas may make sense, they're just the beginning. The challenges become truly mind-boggling once we begin to think about colonizing the moon, living there long-term in a self-sustaining fashion. Consider the 5 most important resources people living on the moon would need: air, water, food, shelter, and power. Breathable air might be obtainable by harvesting oxygen from the moon's soil using electricity and heat. Since the cost of shipping water from Earth would be prohibitive, 1 gallon, that's 4 liters, would cost a whopping $400,000 or so. We would need alternative solutions. One option would be mining water from a possible water source at the south pole of the moon. Another would be shipping liquid hydrogen from Earth and mixing it with oxygen to create water. To grow food on the moon, the best solution might be to import all the chemicals and minerals needed for cultivating crops. With a successful first crop, the chemicals could be recycled naturally for the next crops, using human waste product as fertilizer. In the early stages of moon colonization, shelter would probably be provided by inflatable buildings brought from Earth. Finally, both solar energy and nuclear energy are options for creating power. Tall orders, one and all, not a cheap undertaking. In fact, the major remainings problem, assuming science could conquer all the others, is that of funds. Traveling into space and the building, manning, and maintaining all of Lunar Station are very costly, as we would the research required to design a working station. If the money is found, it is possible that a moon base could be built within the next few decades. Isn't that amazing? Alright, well, leave a comment and tell me what topic I should do next. Alright, bye.